In this video, we'll design a back bumper that showcases the power of distributed teamwork and cutting-edge interoperability between Designcenter X Solid Edge and Designcenter XNX Essentials. Our design process brings together two talented engineers working from different locations, one based in the office using Designcenter X Solid Edge and another traveling and working remotely with Designcenter XNX Essentials. Let's explore how they bring this back bumper to life. First, let's dive into the future of design efficiency with Designcenter XNX Essentials. Start the journey with an extensive shapes library, the gateway to rapid design creation. Access pre-built geometric elements instantly, saving valuable modeling time. Watch as these shapes integrate seamlessly into the workspace. Experience unprecedented control with Smart Triad technology. Align shapes with precision and intuition, while the intelligent anchor point system ensures accurate measurements every time. It's not just about designing, it's about designing with confidence. Transform designs with the powerful shell command, creating hollow parts with controlled wall thickness in seconds. Then elevate models with smooth professional grade. Blend features that seamlessly connect surfaces. Hole placement has never been more efficient. Place, copy, and pattern holes with exact precision. The intelligent system remembers preferences, making repetitive tasks a thing of the past. Take advantage of the mirror command to create symmetrical designs instantly. Then unite components seamlessly with Boolean operations, bringing vision to life with just a few clicks. Every feature in Designcenter XNX Essentials is designed with one goal: to help work faster and smarter. These aren't just tools, they're partners in innovation. Bringing those Designcenter XNX Essentials models to Designcenter X Solid Edge is a breeze using CAD Direct technology with the Siemens connector. Perfect data transfer with no translation headaches and no extra files on disk. How cool is that? Once the model is in Designcenter X Solid Edge, experience the best-in-class assembly tools inside Designcenter X Solid Edge. They're so intuitive, it's like the parts know exactly where they want to go. And here's a super cool time saver. With Style Picker, extract colors from any part with just a quick eyedropper click and apply them instantly to another part. Designcenter X Solid Edge and Designcenter XNX Essentials interoperability takes viewing and markup to a whole new level. Get inside the view and markup environment right from Designcenter X Solid Edge and mark up the model as needed for extra length and holes. It's all about clarity and collaboration. Same markups created in Designcenter X Solid Edge can be viewed in Designcenter XNX Essentials, streamlining your design review process. Watch as Designcenter XNX Essentials guides through the modification process, ensuring accuracy and maintaining design intent at every step. Whether it's adjusting dimensions, modifying features, or refining surfaces, each change is tracked and implemented with precision. It's all handled seamlessly. Updating is a total breeze. Any updates made to the original Designcenter XNX Essentials model can flow right through to the Designcenter X Solid Edge assembly. Just hit CAD Direct Update and boom, all the latest changes are there. Designcenter X Solid Edge and Designcenter XNX Essentials deliver best-in-class collaboration and interoperability for modern design workflows. Siemens Designcenter serves as your unified hub, one centralized platform for all your design needs, eliminating tool switching and streamlining your entire product development process.